Welcome to this edition of THUient Tech and Specs. In this video, I will cover thermal anemometer or hot wire air velocity sensors. THUient Instruments offers many air velocity measuring products that use thermal or hot wire sensors as the sensing element. There are fixed duct mount styles for continuous monitoring, such as the Series 641 air velocity transmitters, and portable insertion styles for testing, such as the 471B and AP2 handheld instruments. Anemometers are instruments used to measure wind speed or air velocity in metrology and aerodynamics. The name is derived from the Greek root anemos, meaning wind. There are many anemometer sensor types, with one of the most popular being thermo or hot wire anemometers for HVAC air velocity monitoring. Thermo anemometers use a sensor element that is heated up beyond the ambient temperature. Airflow moving past the sensor will have a cooling effect that is directly proportional to the flow velocity. Hot wire anemometers come in three basic types: constant current, constant voltage, and constant temperature. All three types have circuits that are based on trying to maintain a specific variable during the cooling effect based on Ohm's law. Thermo anemometers offer good low flow detection, fast response times, and high rangeability of measurements. They are omnidirectional, making them good for turbulent flows, and are easier to use than pitot tubes, but are more fragile than pitot tubes. Usually a probe-style sensor is made for insertion into ducts and pipes. For constant temperature thermal anemometers, at the end of the probe, two temperature sensors are installed, typically resistance temperature detectors, or RTDs. RTDs are covered in detail in Tech and Specs number 13. One RTD measures the ambient temperature as a reference. The second RTD is continuously maintained at a constant temperature above ambient. The higher the air velocity, the more current is required to maintain the second RTD at temperature. Based on the current usage, the air velocity is then calculated. Like a pitot tube, thermo anemometers are a single-point sensing device that require being in the center of the velocity profile or the use of traverse readings for accurate measurements. How to do traverse readings was covered in Tech and Spec video number 6. Don't forget to check back weekly for regular editions of THUient Tech and Specs. THUient Instruments, right choice, right price, right now.